city of lakes is a crown jewel of Madhya Pradesh and has vast landscape across the land. The city is blessed with thick green patches and the infamous lakes, which makes the place a paradise. Along with the natural biodiversity, the city is also rich in cultural and economic diversity, which gives the city a beautiful character of its own. These qualities have been incorporated in the building, which blends it perfectly into the context. Also, to make a building which responds to its climate and environment, the best features that could be included are from nature. Pangolin, the rarest of the rare spotted mammal, has everything on its scales. The scales protect them from the scorching heat, and when the predators threaten pangolins, they roll up into a ball exposing hard, sharp-edged scales. These tough yet flexible scales are made of keratin. The complex hierarchical structure makes it hard for cracks to propagate, resulting in a Young's modulus of 1 gigapascal and a tensile strength of 60 to 100 megapascal. The arrangement of scales in an overlapping hexagonal pattern around a central scale also ensures that no part of the pangolin is exposed. The arrangement also enables scales to slide over each other, making the armor very flexible. On examining the nanosection, the scales were found to be interlocked in the dermal papilla, which is then connected to layers of epidermis and dermis. Reflecting upon the qualities of pangolin's body armor, a similar building skin is developed, which responds to the climate, giving rise to kinetic facade. The hexagonal panels attached to the grid block 87% of the direct radiation and are placed on the windward side, thus allowing them to rotate in both x and y axis, thus converting the kinetic energy to exploitable energy. The 6.9-acre site is located beside the Kaliasot River overlooking the Greenbelt area. The footprint of commercial and residential centers were decided according to the radiation study of the site, and the green areas were placed accordingly. The residential complex has podium parking of 3 floors. The commercial center is hub for residents of the city with terrace gardens above to connect both centers at level 4. The residential tower has a central core with 6 mega columns supporting the structure. Each slab has different extrusions to form parabolic edges, thus reducing the wind load and forming shaded outdoor spaces at each level. The building skin, sculpted computationally, regulates the building temperature, being the most important element in the building.